I've been in the Better Business Bureau a lot of years, and for all this time I've warned people that one of the biggest scams, probably the biggest scam of all, is anything that begins with congratulations. You get letters that tell you you have won thousands, millions, tens of millions of dollars. Lately, what we've seen is people get letters claiming to be from Publishers Clearinghouse, and it says you have won. For example, in the Publishers Clearinghouse scam, you get a letter or a phone call, you have definitely won the Publishers Clearinghouse sweepstakes. I know you have heard of these scams, but this is not a scam. This is the real thing. You've won. We can come to your house with the prize patrol, with the van and the balloons and the big check. There are some fees that you have to pay in advance in order to claim your millions of dollars from Publishers Clearinghouse or Reader's Digest or whatever the deal is. If you'll just go ahead and send us $2,300, we can go ahead and send you the check for the $1 million. When you say this, it sounds so silly. I mean, who would believe a story like that? Everything you say to them, they've got an answer for it. They'll tell you, go to the bank, take out $9,000, tell her that it's for a sister, and then get a money order, get a check. As soon as we get your money, we'll be happy to announce to the world that you've won the sweepstakes. Here's how it works. They take the taxes out first. You never see the taxes. You never see the administration fees, although there aren't any. Instead of sending you $1 million, they send you, I don't know, $700,000 or whatever it is, and the rest of it goes right to the IRS. We had one consumer who got a phone call that he'd won $1 million and he had to send $5,000 first. And he said, look, why did you just take the $5,000 out and send me the rest of the money? And the caller said, oh, no, we can't do that. That wouldn't be ethical. So the message is this. If you have to send that money to claim a prize, it's a scam. Don't send money to claim a prize. Just tell them, take the money out, send me the rest, and they'll probably just hang up on you because you're just too much trouble.